Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at thejeepsterman.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore.
It goes there. Snag it here. Lock it together. It's there. It's there. There's that one. The back one is basically the same thing.
They just kind of hold together too, don't
Yeah, I got the little notches. And then most of the time, people's pockets the pockets are all smashed in or screwed up or something. They don't fit. I make a tool actually to resize those for people.
they? Oh,
Yeah, so
I've seen a lot of them with a little tab at the bottom of it's gone.
they have a tab. Yeah, there is a tab on the bottom. That's what keeps it from falling through.
Yeah.
And this is supposed to go like this right here, like that. That's kind of cheesy. I'll put these straps back in here. And then the top, the canopy goes on pretty easy.
Mm-hmm.
It's not complicated as with a 10-piece top.
This is a 10-piece top?
Nope, this is just a 1-piece canopy.
Oh, okay. I was like, whoa. I guess for the doors and the windows and the back and all that, that's what would be a 10-piece.
Yeah. So the 10-piece would have a piece here, a piece here, a piece there, back, and then a half cab, and then doors and.
Oh, okay.
And let's see, this goes on like. Let's see here, where we at here. Backwards. And then these little grommets, they just go right in these, all the way down.
It's easy enough. The tan looks good on here.
Yeah, it's kind of cool looking.
Yeah.
And then it's got pieces underneath that hook onto the center bar here. One here. One here. One on either side of this bar. Oops. Here. And this keeps like 90% of the rain off of you.
Mm. Yeah.
It's amazing how well it works. And it's not. And I like this material because it dries. Like the canvas takes a long time to dry out. This material dries really, really fast.
So what kind of material is this?
Huh?
What is this? Some kind
This
of...
umbrella.
Oh, that's literally what the material's called.
Yeah, I think that's what it's called. This umbrella. And this is not an original top. This is this is something that Jeff Petrovich created.
Oh, okay.
So of course, that's a little one strap in the back, and then these just wrap around this.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, so it's meant as just a sun canopy, but it's just nice because it keeps 90% of the rain off of you. Like if you're in a light rain.
Mm-hmm. Keep that sun from beating down on you too.
Yeah, and it keeps the sun off of you. Now my windshield, it's not as tight as it used to be because my windshield, I drive so much and kind of fast, and my windshield's leaning back a little bit more than it should.
Mm-hmm.
So I need to bend that back. It's a common thing with the 2As that the windshield gets leans back. So I've got a system now for straightening out windshield frames.
That's cool.
Works real well.
That looks really good.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
And it's relatively fast to put on. It's a little, in the cold, it's a little, takes me a little longer.
Yeah, you're at about 4.5 minutes from when I started.
That's it.
Wow.
Yep. And then, like you could have like, if you wanted a better, there's a cross rod that you can clamp on here, and then this clamps to that. But I rarely need to do that.
Yeah. good.
Yeah.
Sitting on your top.
That's it. Tops made easy.
To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep Restoration Parts catalog from the Jeepster Man, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today.
Awesome. Actually, you know what? No high tech at all.